Let's say think we need to represent this on number line, right? How to do this? Now you can see here we have two inequality sign here. Here's one and here another one. So what to do? This is the way. Now when you look here, you can see another thing here. You need to note here you have two denominators. You can see here 2, here 3. So what we should do? Like we did, right? We can do like this. We need to get the first part and the middle one separate like this, right? 3x over 2 plus 1 is then 5x over 3 plus 2. Now I need to multiply. I can do this way. What the easy way? This 2 and 3. What the LCM of 2 and 3? How to find the LCM? You need to know it. Or you can think just what the number 2 times and 3 times. You will have in 2 times and 3 times what the number you have. 6. 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 2, 6. Like that. Or the correct way you need to find the LCM. You know how to find the LCM, right? Like this 2, 3 we write and divide like this way. You can find the by the prime numbers like that LCM. So by LCM multiply this all the terms, right? But very carefully here the LCM must be plus. This is plus. Otherwise if you multiply by minus number, you have to change this inequality sign to other way after you multiply. But here we multiply by plus 6. So here I will multiply by plus 6. This one also multiply by plus 6. This one also multiply by plus 6. This also by plus 6. I multiply. So here 2, how many 2 are there in 2? 1. How many 2 are there in 6? 3. So 3 into 3, 9, 9x. Here will be 9x. Because we try to remove this denominator. Then easily we can solve. That's the reason here. Then 6 into 1, it will be 6. Just 6. And then here again we can cut down. How many 3 are there in 3? 1. How many 3 are there in 6? It is 2. Then 2 into 5x, it will be 10x. And here 6 into 2, it will be, right, plus 12. Plus 6 into plus 2, it will be plus 12. Now very simple. Let's say put x terms to one side and numbers to other side. So I will bring like this way. What the plus 6 here, this plus 12 I will bring to here. So it will be what the here plus 6, and when I bring this plus 12 to here, it will be minus 12. And here 10x, 10x was already here. Then I will bring this plus 9x to this side. It will be minus 9x, right? Then here plus 6 minus 12. What the answer? When you have different sign, we put the bigger one sign and get the difference. So here will be minus 6. Like this way. Then here 10x minus 9x mean? Again same procedure you can follow, or just you can think 10 minus 9. These are like terms, no? We have same letter. So that's why 10x minus 9x mean x. Okay, now we have one solution, right? We got solution. Now we need to find the other situation. What we do? Get the middle term again, this one, and right side one. That means 7, this one. So I will do that also. 5x over 3 plus 2 and 7. Now by what I need to multiply here? Here you have no two denominators, only here 3. So that's why multiply this all the terms by 3. It's easy. Here multiply by 3. This one also multiply by 3. This one also multiply by 3. That means if you need to remove this denominator, you can do that way. So here 3 to 3 cut. Here will be just 5x. And here will be 2 into 3, 6. And here 7 into 3, 21. Now what I need to do? Here 5x. 6 bring to here. I mean plus 6 bring to here. Here already there was plus 21. When I bring this plus 6 to here, it will be minus 6. Then 5x here. Here what the answer? 21 minus 6 mean it will be 15. Right here, very careful, here less than or equal to. This dash we have no. Then both sides divide by plus 5. Here why I am telling plus 5, very carefully, if you divide by minus number or multiply, you have to change the sign. But here we divide by plus 5, so that's why you don't need to change the sign. Plus 5 to 5 cut, Here how many 5 are then 5? 1. How many 5 are then 15? 3. So here answer will be here x and here just 3. Now here change the sign mean when you multiply by minus number or divide by minus number, this sign, this here less than, no, you have to change to greater than if you divide by a minus number or multiply by minus number. But here in this example we not use any that type of situation, multiply by minus number or divide by minus number. So this is the answers, right? This is the answers, right? Now we need to think how we can represent this on number line. What we need to do here, they tell, like I told you earlier in my other videos, checking here we need to think x. Now we normally tell, if someone asks from you, you will tell minus 6 less than x, like that. But when you think what is the meaning here, what the real idea, always try to think with the unknown letter x, with the x. When you think x, that means unknown value or the thing x should be what the x, what the closest to which side, closest to x, greater side, no? So that's why we think x greater, x values, unknown values must be greater because greater side close to x. That's why we think like that way. X should be greater than minus 6. Greater x should be. Now you can think that line you draw on the number line, that line should be greater than minus 6. This x mean you can think like line here. That's a trick, you know. That's the thing. So you can use here x, your line must be greater because greater side close to x, greater than minus 6. So here minus 6 marked like this way. We not color here because there's no equal dash here. Here we have no less than or equal, but here we have no less than or equal. So that's why we not color this one. And now this x value, your line must be greater than minus 6. Greater than minus 6 means this side, no, not this side. This is less than. So this side is the greater. So we will do like this way, a line. We draw like this way. And when you have this type of two numbers, two inequality mark on number line, mark this one also part of that. Keep this one like this and then mark this one. Now here what they tell, x must be less than or equal to 3. That means this unknown value, your line must be less than 3. Less than 3. X, because here also less side close to x. X. Now we can think normal way here. With the unknown letter you can start. Unknown letter, your line must be less than 3. That means your line should be less than 3. Here is the 3, no? This is the 3 plus 3. So, and here equal dash also we have. So you need to color this one. Color. But your line must be less than 3. Less than 3 means this side, not this side. This side 4, 5 like that. No, it is greater than 3. Less than means this side. X should be, your line should be less than 3. This way, right? This is the idea. Right, you need to draw this is with the ruler, put ruler and correctly, but still this is correct. But that's the way you have to mark this way and like this. Okay, I will do it, right? Draw like this, right? That's the idea here, right? Mark here because we not color this one. There is no equal sign, less than or equal. There's no that dash, so that's why we not color. Here we color, right? This is the idea how to do this question.